Hi, I am Anindapal Singh, NSS Program Officer of Paragon Senior Secondary School, Sector 71, Mohali, Punjab.
Jaspreet Singh, NSS volunteer.
Arunpreet Kaur, NSS volunteer.
Major Singh, NSS volunteer.
Ritik Sharma, NSS volunteer.
On this NSS day, I would like to share my journey being an NSS member. So it was Maninder Pal sir who introduced it to me. He told me about his own achievements and inspired me to be a part of this prestigious program. Then I began my journey participating in various rallies and attending workshops. It was then when I realized that the sole power of a country, that is the youth, is just ruining itself. NSS has helped me a lot in becoming a better human being. I have grown sensitive towards my surroundings and I have developed a ready to help anybody attitude as well.
NSS plays a very crucial role in the wholesome development and advancement of an individual. NSS motivates students towards selfless service to the society and also encourages them to inculcate various qualities like confidence and leadership traits.
NSS is a voluntary association of young people in colleges, universities, and at plus 2 level working for a campus community.
NSS is a tree under whose dense shade, soothing, and fragrant air the whole society prospers. I appeal to every individual to contribute towards the aims and objectives of NSS for the advancement of the society. NSS has affect change in perception, understanding, and attitude, and above all, deepest desire through participation in various NSS activities of the volunteers.
I opted for NSS camp to develop my personality through community services. And my mentor Maninder sir motivated me towards NSS activities. NSS helped me in many things like overcoming my fear, discipline, time management, socializing, etc.
I went to the underprivileged areas and I feel very great. We can help not only money but devoting your time, care and love. I feel very proud that I am a part of this program and this is really a great program to build youth with a mind and spirit.
The motto of NSS says, "Not me, but you."
Not me, but you.
Not me, but you.
Not me, but you.
Stay healthy, stay safe, not me but you.
Not me, but you.
Not me, but you.
Not me, but you.
Not me, but you. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay active, and serve the nation.
Not me, but you. Thank you.